Welcome to UTalent channel. Good morning all of you. In this video, we will discuss decimal expansion. Let us know first what is decimal expansion. When we express a number as a decimal, it is called decimal expansion. For example, we can write 0.5 to 1/2. Here 0.5 is the decimal expansion of 1/2. Now decimal expansion can be divided into two parts. First one is terminating and second one is non-terminating. Non-terminating can be also divided into two parts. First one is recurring or repeating decimal and second one is non-recurring or non-repeating decimal. Now we will discuss this all separately. First we will discuss terminating. Here the remainder becomes 0. For example, 2/5 equal to 0.4. This is the normal division. Now let's look at mathematical examples. Express the following in the form of P by Q. 1 20.5 and 2 minus 12.251. Now 20.5. There are one digit to the right of the decimal point. So we can write 205 by 10. Cancellation by 5. Here 41 and here 2. That is 41 by 2. This is the form of P by Q. Okay. Second one is minus 12.251. There are 3 digits to the right of the decimal point. So we can write minus 12.251 by 1000. So this is the form of P by Q. Okay. Next one is non-terminating. Here remainder never becomes 0, such as 1/3, that is 0.333 ... which does not ends. Now non-terminating can be divided into two parts. First one is recurring or repeating decimal and second one is non-recurring or non-repeating decimal. Now come to the recurring or repeating decimal. What is recurring or repeating decimal? A repeating decimal or recurring decimal is decimal representation of a number whose digits are periodic and the infinitely repeated portion is not 0. Such as 1.123 ... Here 123 is being repeated. That is 1.123 bar. Now recurring or repeating decimal can be divided into two parts. First one is pure repeating or recurring and second one is mixed repeating or mixed recurring decimal. Now, what is pure repeating? Here, repeating all the digits after decimal, such as 1.333, 2.232323 ... So, do you understand? Let's go next one. So, what is the mixed repeating decimal? Here, at least one of the digits after the decimal point is non-repeated, and then taken some digits are repeated, like 7.1232323 ... Do you understand? Now we discuss how to convert from repeating decimal to P by Q. Now let's look at mathematical example. Express 12.23 bar in the form of P by Q. Let x equal to 12.23 bar. We counting how many numbers are there after decimal. There are 2 digits, so multiply by 100 on both sides. So there is 100x equal to 1223.23 bar. Now subtract these two. So we get 99x equal to 1211. So x equal to 1211 by 99. So this is the form P by Q. Thus it is solved. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Express 7.31212 in the form P by Q. Here 7.31212 ... equal to 7.312 bar. Let x equal to 7.312 bar. First, we need to change it to pure recurring. Here we see one single digit after decimal point is non-repeated. Then all the digits are repeated. So multiply by 10 on both sides. We get 10x equal to 73.12 bar. So this is the pure recurring decimal. Now we apply the same process as pure recurring decimal. So here multiply by 100 on both sides. Here we get 1000x equal to 7312.12 bar. Now subtract these two. We get 990x equal to 7239. So x equal to 7239 by 990. So this is the form P by Q. Hope you all understand. Now let's come to non-recurring. Now what is non-recurring or non-repeating decimal? A non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is a decimal number that continues endlessly without any continuous repetition of any number. This type of decimals cannot be represented as fractions. So, these are all irrational number. Okay? For example, 2.001001001 ... This cannot be represented as a fraction or p by q. So, this is irrational number, and this is also non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Okay.